Okay, all right. Today we're gonna go ahead and unbox. Hold those back there. Today we're gonna unbox an Epiphone ES-335 semi-hollow body guitar. So first things first, good old Marine Corps K-bar. Gotta have that. Okay, here we go. We got this in last night. However, we decided to open it today because we were pretty beat up from getting our Pfizer vaccine yesterday, so we went to bed pretty early. So let's see what we got here. Matter of fact, my right arm is sore as hell right now from that shot, from that vaccine. Ah, careful. Safety is paramount when you're using these K-bars. Boy, they're sharp. I just poked myself. We're good.
Careful.
Yeah, we're good. But I can. So let's hope this came in one piece, because it is a semi-hollow body guitar. I've always wanted one of these. Well, I had one before, but it was the cherry colored one. It was the Epiphone ES-335 Pro, I think it was called. Very nice, really nice guitar. But it was a set neck, like they all are. And I had to sell it before I came to the Philippines because I couldn't take it apart and ship it as easy as I could the Telecasters and Stratocasters, that I could just simply unbolt the neck and separate the two, the neck and the body, and put them in boxes and ship them over. All right, we're almost there. It's going to be a short one. I'm just going to pull it out so we have this documented, and we'll kind of like do a quick look at it, make sure it's all in one piece. And so far, I don't feel anything loose. Ooh yeah. There we go.
Show here.
Yep. That's on a check for fretted, sharp fret edges, that kind of thing. Ooh. Vintage Sunburst. Epiphone. ES-335 semi-hollow body guitar. I think they retail at Sweetwater for like $600. This one came to be about $545 with shipping, tax, and everything.
Hold it
yeah,
properly. I love the book.
Just, yeah, the frets feel okay. But you know, after a while, I'll sit down and check to make sure the frets are level, and that hopefully we have no buzzing going on. I'll go through and check this out very closely. But at first glance, it looks like we're in good shape. She's a beauty. Handcrafted in China. I can't afford the Gibson version of this. They're just outrageously priced, but hey, these have a damn good reputation, and I'll be more than happy with this for sure. So, there you have it. The Epiphone ES-335 semi-hollow body. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video, appreciate it. My first impression right now is, of course, I'm going to be a little biased because I love these guitars, but my first impression right now is that this thing is a very nice instrument for sure. But, you know, again, we won't know until we give it a thorough inspection and we plug it in and we get going on it and see where we're at. But just out of the box, it looks phenomenal. So Good to go. Thanks, guys. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.